Jordan Byers, and today we are going to be doing a sisters swap makeup routine challenge. And I got this idea from Alyssa Ashley. I literally watched her video this morning, and then I texted Julie. I was like, get your booty over here, we need to swap routines right now. So let's get into it. But before we get into this, so today's video is sponsored by Scentbird, and what Scentbird is a subscription service where every month you get to choose a perfume. It's $14.95. Did I say that? It was $14.95 already? No. Oh, well, every month it's $14.95 and you get to choose a perfume sample that is a really, really good size. And no, bro, you twist. You twist it. You twist like this. Like, look how cute that is. You throw that in your purse. I wasn't gonna spray it on you.
That's
you throw that in
cool.
your purse.
I was trying to like.
What is yours? Mine is Milan and Goat's Eau de Parfum. Oh, yours is Glossier.
Is that how you say it?
Yeah, yours is Glossier U. Ooh, let's smell them. So basically, they just came out with. Well, spray it.
Wait, I might keep this.
Well, you can keep it. That's yours.
Wait, I don't want to spray it.
I like that actually. That's really pretty. Let me smell yours.
It's like.
Oh, yours is like fresh.
Yeah. Kind of smells like their face wash. Have you ever used it?
I have their face wash.
It smells good.
Wait, so babe, it's like woodsy.
Oh, I like mine better though. Okay.
Yeah, I like yours better, but that's the thing about Scentbird. Every single month you get to try out a new one of these, and literally you just pop the new one in, throw it in your bag, throw it in your car. It's really, really nice. And they just came out with a new thing where you can upgrade your account and you can choose 2 to 3 products a month. And that also includes their new Bath and Body stuff. So they just came out with a bunch of Bath and Body products. This is the Mango and Kiwi Melting Shower Scrub, which I've actually been using, and it's really, 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 really good. And then they've got hand lotions too. So these are pineapple and white amber and yuzu and ginger.
Oh wait.
Which actually have been really handy this winter because your girl gets crusty hands. So yeah, you can just upgrade your account after you sign up. And honestly, I'm in love with this service. I've actually been using Scentbird for a long time. I used to be subscribed to them a long time ago, and then I moved and I switched addresses, and I never remembered to go and switch my account over. But I really do love this because we're the type of people where we're always looking for new perfumes. Like, I literally bought you a full-size perfume for Christmas, and that'll take you so long to get through, you know?
I've used a lot.
Oh, well, this way you can get a new perfume every single month. You know what I mean? Like, for me, that's really nice because I like to switch up my scents.
This?
Yeah, put that on first.
So, I don't use primer.
Dude, it don't matter. I use primer.
Okay.
She doesn't use primer, so I'm going straight in with this foundation.
On your hands?
What? You're not...
Okay, well, whatever.
You don't dot it on your face? Oh shoot, this is tan. Julia! I'm not tan!
Is that good?
Bro, I use so much more primer than that.
I look good!
I look good! Oh my god.
Go back to all all your neighbors are gonna hate you. Actually, they probably already do.
No, I am a very peaceful person, except for when I start to film videos. What brush do you use to put on this foundation?
Can we bring this table closer?
No. My coffee table is my coffee table.
Okay, fine. I either use this brush or that brush.
Dude, no, that is not enough. Dude, it's about you doing it.
I'm so nervous.
Actually, this looks pretty good on me. I mean, obviously I'm not the right color, but
I just use it because it has sunscreen.
You bought the SPF too?
Does it have an SPF?
No. But I wear normal SPF under my makeup.
I use that CC cream by It Cosmetics yeah.
Well, this one has a SPF 20. I gave this to you.
How long can you leave it on for? 20 seconds?
Yeah. Okay. Julie, don't leave my foundation open like that. That was like $50. Julie, that powder did not set my foundation.
Is this one?
Absolutely not. This.
Absolutely not.
This is really pink. Light medium honey? You're not light medium honey.
It looks good.
Are you really light medium? Actually, this looks pretty good. Are your undertones pink?
I don't know, I just grabbed it.
Well, you tell me. I think your skin looks better than it's ever been. Your foundation actually matches.
That foundation matches.
Dude, this color is not you. That's not your color.
No comment.
I use this.
Broutings. That's how I read it.
Broutings. Do you act? This.
Yeah, I know, it's empty.
This is what you use to set your eyebrows?
Yeah, I scraped it on the side.
Julie, this is disgusting.
Yeah, I know.
It's brown. It's supposed to be clear, but it's brown.
It's because when you like put it on, it like goes back in.
She uses this to set her eyebrows. Julie, this is a health hazard. I'm sorry.
I'm gonna use something different.
No, I'm gonna throw this away and give you a different one. Bahama Mama Boo. What brush do you use?
I wanna see you naked, naked, naked.
Julia, I can't.
I wanna be a baby, baby. No, that's a song because she looks naked.
She's wearing a bikini, boo.
This kind of close, boo.
She Bahama Mama.
Not a contour brush.
Yes, it is. That's bronzer. Okay, what brush do you use?
That one.
The same one we used. Oh. Okay. You sniffing me? You smell that?
I don't like smelling your skin.
Let me smell your skin. Oh, I really like the smell of your skin.
Oh, wait, I like the smell of your skin. Wait, smell mine again.
I just like the smell of you. It reminds me of like childhood.
I just choked on my saliva.
Ew.
Okay.
On to blush.
Sippy, sippy.
This bright. This real bright. This real bright.
It's the only blush I have besides that one, but that one has sparkles in it. Oh, I used to have this.
That's one of my favorite blushes. Which one do you use?
This one.
Which one?
The black one.
This?
Yeah.
This is not a blush brush.
That is.
Is this really pigmented? Like, should I go easy?
No, you're chilling.
Oh.
Oh, look how pretty that is.
Yeah, that's pretty.
Yeah, see.
Ooh, girl is looking cute. Look at my face. Dude, you look glowy with that. That blush is like slightly glowy. That's why I like it, because it's like natural. Natural.
Yeah, I vibe.
Natch. It's natch.
It's so natch that it's gonna get me snatched.
Yeah, show them. It's the Kylie Jenner.
I just hate
loose.
like this like whole loose
No,
stuff.
loose is what makes it blinding.
Like, get me messy. Why don't you?
No, this is what you're gonna do.
No. That's too bright.
No, it's
That
not.
is too bright.
No, it's not. You're gonna use this brush. You can use what's in here.
No, I'm just gonna go ham.
Julia, this is why your highlight's always not popping. Cause she uses the Joby rose quartz one.
Probably because I go to school every day.
Well, that has nothing to do with it.
So like, why do I need to pop out at school?
Cause you always need to pop out.
It's just school. I'm not trying to impress anyone.
Ooh, you have the Morphe.
Or maybe there's
I'm
one
sorry.
person.
Do you
No,
think
I'm
they're
joking.
watching this video?
No, I don't know. I don't even like anyone.
Who is that creepy college boy? I'm putting this in.
No, you can't.
I'm putting this in. She is a junior in high school.
Okay, anyway.
And this high school boy trying to pop up in his DMs. I mean, college boy. Like, who is he? He needs to... Leave my sister alone, college boys.
Oh my gosh, I literally told him that we're gonna be friends.
Oh, okay.
But like... What you doing, just moving your hand around in the box?
Yeah.
I have this box, by the way, if anyone's curious.
Okay, so she likes this Morphe 35O palette. Did I give this to you? Oh, you got this at BeautyCon, right? I took her to BeautyCon.
Okay, so I take...
This nice palette. Hello, hello, halo. Sing it, hello. Halo. Ooh. Ooh. I don't know the rest.
Okay.
Sing hello.
Oh, yeah, okay. That hurt my neck. What? I'm gonna use a quick sauced.
Sauced? No, you have to set that.
I did.
Did you set it for real?
Yeah.
Are you lying?
I'm literally going to my volunteer stuff after this. They're gonna be like, "Girl, you look good."
Good. That's from that first video we did together, right?
Yeah, I think so.
And we overdid it.
I couldn't help it. Your hands smelled like corn dogs.
They didn't, Julia.
They really did.
They didn't.
Wait.
Ready?
Wait.
Holy Not shit. Done. I didn't get this side. Okay.
Creamy. Like, taste buds. You're about to hit me in the face.
No, I'm not. I just smack you.
I know, I can feel it.
No, you need to do this. You don't have setting spray?
No, once you're done, you done. You pop out of there and go, skirt!
No, you need setting spray. Do you want one of my setting sprays? I have lots. Take one of my setting sprays because you need it. It sets everything together.
Wait. I need to use the eyebrow stuff again. About like, holy shoot, chill.
What? You gotta set the face, boo.
I know.
Okay, so now that we have finished our makeup, tell me 2 things about what you like about my routine.
That I like?
Yeah.
I actually like how, is this part of the challenge?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I like how you started with
Primer.
Yeah.
Yeah. And what else? Nothing?
A setting.
Oh, you like setting spray too?
Yeah. And
Yeah.
then
That's it?
you had some nice eyebrow gel.
Yeah, I do have nice eyebrow gel. Okay, I like about your routine, I actually like this highlight. This highlight's really pretty.
Mm-hmm.
And
You look good, so.
Nah.
Am I talking about for you or for me?
No, what you don't like about my routine. Like what I do.
Yeah, too much contour.
Okay. I don't like that.
Oh, and the under eye thing.
What under eye thing?
The like trying to like blend brown under your eye.
Why?
I just feel like sometimes that you like need that for like a certain look. And like that's usually not the look I'm going for, if you know what I mean.
Okay, well, I don't like the fact that you use a crusty makeup that's from 2004. Girl,
Yeah.
hygiene. Hygiene. And I also think that you need a primer, setting spray. Yeah. And that's about it. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below to become part of the hashtag Joby Squad. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye. You gotta do that now.